Hello, financial fans. I'm not a financial advisor, as we always say, but I do like to talk about numbers, and I like to talk about my experience in the stock market for the past 50 years or so. I've been dabbling a bit here and there, and I've had some major losses during that process, and I also have had a lot of fun and a lot of stocks that did happen to go up while I held them and I sold them at a profit. So I'm just talking about my experiences in the market and things that I happen to observe and notice and think might be of interest to someone else. For example, this week I've been looking at some dividend plays. Last week was quite wild, and people who were holding dividend stocks and just focusing on dividends weren't too badly damaged by the experiences this past week of rapid ups and downs. But for those who like dividends and those who like to buy and hold and hang on to for many years, maybe these stocks will be something that will be of interest to you to study, to look at and think about. And the first one that we will look at is Cardinal Health, symbol CAH. And looking at Cardinal Health's price, closing on Friday, $56.36. And in the first column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week price range, $44.65 to $62.96. So it does travel around a bit. And let's take a look at the beta over there, 1.07. It just moves about the same as the market in general. We'll look at the bottom of the first column on the left, the average volume, a little over 2 million shares trade each day. And all the way down the bottom of that first column, near fair value. This is fair value according to the people who do the stock analysis there at Yahoo, and thanks to Yahoo for these wonderful pages where we can find out a lot about the different companies. And in the middle column, third item down, the PE ratio of 14.43, and that's not too bad, and this is a health care stock. The earnings per share, $3.91. Now that's quite a bit for a stock that's priced at $56.36. $3.91 earnings per share. And if we look down at the forward dividend and yield, the yield is about 3.5%, which is good, and they only need $1.96 to reach that number when the price is $56.36. $1.96, and they're easily more than making that with the earnings per share of $3.91. The 1-year target, the bottom of the middle column, $63.06. So this is a pretty good looking stock. And next we will look at a stock which is I think pronounced Manulife Financial Corporation. MFC is the symbol. The price right now, $21.64 per share. And 2/3 of the way down the column on the left, 52-week range, $11.19 to $22.25, so just about double from its low to its high. $11.19, and currently at $21.64, so it's near the top right now. Average volume, 3,725,000 shares trade every day, and it's undervalued according to the analysts who put together this information. And we look at the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 9.82. I like that a lot. It's under 10, and 10 is hard to find, especially these days. Earnings per share, $2.20, which is very good earnings for a $21.64 stock, $2.20 earned. And the forward dividend and yield, the yield is 4.21%, and they only need 91 cents to cover that, and they've more than got that covered in the earnings per share. Let's look at the target, the 1-year target, almost all the way to the bottom of the middle column, $23.61. They don't expect this stock to move very much, but the dividend looks good, and I would guess it probably has opportunity to make some movements in an upward direction. Next we'll look at Annaly Capital Management. That's ANNALY, and the symbol is NLY, which also can be pronounced Annaly. And I've had this stock before. It has a tremendous dividend, and at $9.13, it might be something a person might want in their portfolio. $9.13 per share, the closing price on Friday, May 14th of 2021. And the 52-week range, $5.99 to $9.28, so it was getting dangerously close to penny stock when it started moving up to its current position there, $9.13. And the average volume, 14 million shares trade every day, and the analysts think this is overvalued. The third item down, middle column, PE ratio 7.9, or is that 7.94, or is that 2? It's 2.94, almost impossible, but there it is, 2.94. Earnings per share, $3.10 on a $9.13 stock. Wow. It is amazing. The forward dividend and yield, 9.64. They need 88 cents to come up with 9.64% dividend, and they more than have that with that $3.10 earning. I don't know if that's going to be a traditional thing or just a rarity that comes along once in a lifetime. But the 1-year target estimate, it's going to move up to $9.25. The dividend with Annaly has been high for many, many years, a high percentage dividend. Let's look at the final stock that we'll look at today. Total, SETOT is the symbol, $48.73 per share, the closing price on Friday. It was up, had a big day, up 3.79%. A lot of stocks were up big on Friday. The 52-week range, $28.65 to $50.41. So it's near the top right now. And the average volume, 2,242,000 shares. And it is considered to be overvalued. The PE ratio, not applicable, which means they're losing money. And there's the earnings per share. They've lost $1.64 per share. And the forward dividend and yield, they're paying out 6.34% dividend at this time, and they need $3.09, so hopefully they got a lot of cash on hand. The 1-year target, $55.75, which would be a nice move up if they do happen to make that. And I wish you great success in this coming week, and I hope it's calmer than last week, and I thank you very much for watching.